Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to show you how to accept message requests on Instagram. So let's dive in. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and open your Instagram app. Go ahead and open your Instagram app, and you want to go ahead to messages. You can see requests right there on the right of your screen, right around the center. Click on that message requests. Now the people who send you message requests will show up here. I don't have any at the moment, and if you want to accept the request, all you have to do is click on the text and click accept. I can go ahead and switch an account so I can show you an example. So you click on requests. You can see I have some requests here, so you can either accept or decline depending on the nature of the message. So I'm going to click on a text here, and you can see I can either accept, and if you accept, you can either go to primary or general. So I put it on primary, and that is how you do it, guys. All you have to do is click on the requests and you can see your message requests. Hopefully this was helpful, and I will see you in the next video.